Today I received this desktop computer. The motherboard is Asus motherboard. Complaint for this desktop computer. The computer is working fine, but the complaint is USB port not working. In the back side there are four USB port, and I checked according to customer complaint. I checked in below two USB port is working, and upper two USB port, upper means from this side, this two is not working, but in lower this two is working, and in the front panel this two is was not working. So I removed the motherboard and try to repair from the motherboard IC, USB IC, but it's lots of risks. I found if I want to replace the USB IC, then the motherboard can damage finally. So that I changed my decision. Here two USB port working and two not working. So I did not go for repair the motherboard because it is so many risks. The motherboard can be no display or dead finally. That's why I did not change the USB IC. I just changed the front panel USB card. The you can see this was old USB and audio card. This USB and audio card was installed in this machine. I removed this circuit from the system and installed a new USB audio circuit in this panel. You can see the USB and audio circuit card. One more I can show you. This is new card. I install same like this in this front panel. Now I will check whether the front panel USB working or not, and in the back panel there two USB, below two USB working, but upper two is not working till now. Now I will open the system. You see, I am going to connect the system. This is power cable, and keyboard and mouse I will connect in from the front panel. This is keyboard wire. And I'm going to connect mouse. This is mouse. Keyboard and mouse are plugged in the front panel, and back panel I will attach a pen drive for checking only. Now I will start the system. You can see it's fan already moving, and check the display. Display is showing Windows is appear. See my mouse light is blinking, and keyboard light blinking. You can see it means the front panel USB are working properly. This video taking some time cause I am going to show you the Windows mode, whether the front panel USB and back panel 2 USB working or not. You can contact us for your laptop or desktop repair. This is a old Lenovo laptop which was Windows complaint. So customer said me to reinstall the Windows 7. I am installing Windows 7 in this system. Just Windows install. The system is very old, but here Windows is 11. You can see. That's why it's taking so much time. Desktop is appear, you can see, and show here keyboard. I am pressing is this key. Look in the monitor. Mouse is moving, you can see, but desktop is not complete booted up, so that keyboard can be checked after some time. Now taskbar is appear. Here search bar, in the pointer in the search bar, so see the keyboard is working here. Look, keyboard is working. Backspace, yeah, keyboard is working fine. Okay, it means front panel USB is working, and I remove the keyboard from the front panel, and the keyboard cable is connecting back panel front USB, back panel upper USB. But look, there is no light in the keyboard. There is no light in the keyboard. If I going to put lower USB port, you can see the keyboard light is working, and in Windows mode you can see it is typing. My checking is complete. Thank you for watching my video. If you need your device repair like laptop and desktop computer, You can contact us by calling the number which is displayed in screen, and you can WhatsApp on this number. Thank you.